What happens if you divide it by 2?
Furnace and Hamlet, which won second place at the Motherlode Drama Festival.
All right.
So right now I'll be performing 2 monologues. The first will be Polonius from Hamlet, which is a comedic classical monologue. And the second will be Jake from Furnace, which I wrote, and it will be a dramatic contemporary monologue. Thank you.
Yeah.
My liege and madam, to expostulate what majesty is, what duty should be, why, to say that day is day, and night is night, and time is time. Why, we're to waste day, night, and time. Therefore, since brevity, yes, is the soul of wit, and tediousness, its limbs and outward flourishes, I will be brief. Your noble son is mad. Mad, say I, for what can it be said of anything but mad when actions are mad? Now, madam, I swear I use no art at all, for that he is mad, 'tis true. 'Tis true, 'tis pity. 'Tis pity, 'tis true. Why, a foolish figure would... But I use no art at all. Now, what leaves us now is to find out the cause of this effect, or perhaps we should say the cause of this defect, for this defective effect must give us cause, for... But I swear I use no art at all. Look, I just... Look, could you just let me talk? Wait, okay. Just sit down and we can talk about this. We'll, I don't know, we'll figure this out or something, okay? Just sit down, all right? Oh, thank you. I mean, we're both sensible human beings here, right? At least I hope so. I guess the first thing I should say is that I'm sorry. I know you think that the passion is gone, and I completely understand that, but I mean, it can't be all my fault, can it? No, because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it can't just be my fault, and it can't just be yours. Like, one person just can't be to blame here, because it just doesn't make sense at all. And I feel like the whole one-sidedness of this whole thing, it makes me feel like my body is a furnace. Yeah, I know, it's funny, but honestly, my body is a furnace, and you shovel me full of compliments, and the fires of my passion burn brighter. They just pale everything in comparison. I just want to reciprocate with you. I just want you to know how I feel, and I just want to share some of my fire with you. But every time I go to try and open my mouth and try and speak to you, all that comes out is just smoke. Nothing but smoke and ashes, and they just billow into your face, and you just choke and you gag and you scream at me in agony, and all I can do is just stand here. Spew smoke. Just tell me what to... Can't ask you that. I'm not happy when I'm with you. And I'm not allowed to be sad when I'm near you. And I don't know. I just don't know.